just spent the day doing the lights, and we've got, I just got one more plug to do for the main intersection of all the honeycomb grid. But you can see just with the 12 pieces that we have on the outside border, it's pretty light in here. And so this covers about 425 square feet, the size of the room that we're in. And yeah, I can't imagine what it's going to be like once we turn the center section on here in a minute. It's going to be nice and bright. Turn the space that was dark and dingy, and obviously we've painted everything, so the white is very nice. It really brightens everything up. But you see the color that the room used to be was like this yellow, and for the last 40 years it was for welding and a bunch of dirty work. So it's super bright in here now. Well, so the overall installation time for this was about 8 hours, but mostly because I have a corrugated ceiling, it's sheet metal, and I had to accommodate for that by cutting out 6-inch wooden blocks. So a little bit of time to figure out what was the easiest way without spending any money. Didn't want to buy sheets of plywood because it's just extra money. So I grabbed a skid off the side of the road and cut it up into pieces and screwed it all on there. Bunch of screws. That's another thing, this kit doesn't come with any screws. You get the clips that mount onto the lights if you were to do it that way. And then all of the junction blocks in between the LED strips have holes in them for your screws. And also keep in mind that they're pretty tight. The mounting hole is pretty tight towards the body of that connector, so you have to use like a regular sized head, and like it needs to be kind of a smaller screw like that. And yeah, I bought screws and they were too big and they wouldn't fit, so live and learn. Anyhow, I can turn these on. Let's see what it looks like. Nice. Ooh, that's beautiful. Yeah, I'm loving it. It's awesome. It'll be great for rebuilding stuff. Plan on putting a workbench along here and stuff like that. So lots and lots of light. It was super dark and dingy in here, like I said. So this really wakes the place up. And you can see compared to that light over there, obviously we've got different shades of like those bulbs, which is the same fixture as this. I don't know what tone of light it is, but obviously we got bright white. I think it was 6,000 K was like the color range for these. It was either 6 or 6,500 or something like that. So nice and white.